Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare Ragi Thopa. Take a bowl and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of Ragi flour. Ragi is one of the richest sources of calcium and iron. It is really good for your bones and increasing your hemoglobin levels. Now add little bit of water into the Ragi powder and make it into a thin slurry. Take a pan and add 1 cup of jaggery and add little bit of water and melt jaggery. Jaggery is one of the richest sources of iron and calcium. This recipe is very good for pregnant and lactating women. Now add the ragi slurry into the melted jaggery and continuously keep on stirring it and make sure there are no lumps in it. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once again mix it well. Now it's ready to eat. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video.